What's up, guys? This is Dr. Dow Tran here. I'm sitting next to a fellow North High alumni, a fellow Saxon, MMA fighter, Joseph.
What's going on, you guys? My name's Joseph Rodriguez. I'm turning professional in MMA this summer, so watch out, and I know he's gonna help me with my performance.
So are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get it on.
Again. Last one. There we go. Just a couple of things I want to make sure. So when I bring you over, just try to relax your body. Okay, good. Okay, let's have you turn this way for me. As I bring you over, relax your body. Okay, good. Face up here. Line your back. It'd be a great idea to get some chiropractic in between your trainings, because you know, if you get imbalanced, it's going to slow you down. So you want to maximize your performance with making sure that every part of your body is moving well. Try to relax your shoulders and a little bit more. Turn this way a little bit more. Turn left. Great job. So how's that so far?
Oh, that feels a lot better.
See how, like, after the adjustment, you could actually notice the difference when I palpated? You see that?
Oh yeah.
It's actually moving better now. Just trying to make sure there's nothing left. Okay, good job. So how's your first adjustment?
Oh, I loved it.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
What's the difference right now?
I feel a lot better. My back pain is gone. I feel like I can go fight 5 rounds for a title fight. So.
Alrighty. So folks, be sure to follow Joseph. He most likely has a fight lined up in July. And then obviously we'll see him before that.
Oh, absolutely.
To prepare
I'll
him
be back.
to make sure we can maximize his performance. All right, folks, thank you for watching.